Many of you have been out to your independent garden center this spring, and you may have noticed it's a little bit harder to find some plants.
So we have some tips for you to make your shopping more successful. The first one is, if you see a plant that you love, buy it right now because it may not be there the next time you visit.
You know, and a lot of nurseries get their plant shipments midweek, either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So if you go shopping just before the weekend, you'll avoid some crowds and may find the best selection.
And if you can't find that plant that you really want, you may want to find one that has similar interest or similar care and substitute that one.
We hope these tips allow you to be more successful on your next plant hunting expedition.